Personally, for me, I have to act. Of course, because of my past impressions, I am steering my life into the future because of my past. So, to that extent, based on my karma, based on my samskars, I am enjoying my life going ahead into future, right? But at the same time, my current life is being influenced by so many people, right? So when he's talking of plans, they're talking of bigger schemes like evolution of human race. It will happen at the right time. Now, when you're talking of a bigger plans like that, it does not come under individual choices, individual freedom, or individual destiny. There is a group destiny they are working with. You see. So when Babuji talks about the plan of human race evolution, it's different ball game. See,